Okay, let's be real. Choosing a budget robot vacuum can be a total nightmare, right? You're just drowning in all these technical specs, and every single company is claiming they've got the secret sauce. So we're going to cut through all that noise. Today, it's a showdown between two legends with completely different game plans. The iRobot Roomba 694, our toughest nails brawler, and the eufy RoboVac 11S Max, the stealthy silent assassin. You'd think it would be an easy choice, wouldn't you? But you're trying to weigh brand recognition against raw power or a sleek design, and it's just a lot to think about. That's exactly what this explainer is for, to give you the clarity you need to pick the right robot for your floors, not just the one with the flashiest marketing. So, let's officially meet our contenders, but let's talk about them by their personalities, not just their model numbers. So on one side, we've got the Roomba 694. I want you to think of it as the veteran brawler. It's been in the ring a long time, it's tough, it's reliable, and it knows how to win a fight in the dirtiest corners. And on the other side, we have the eufy 11S Max, the silent assassin. It's sleek, it's quiet, and it uses the surprising power to get the job done before you even realize it's there.
All right, the fighters are in their corners. Let's ring the bell for round one, the brains. How these robots see and navigate your home is really the foundation of their entire cleaning strategy. And, it's where our whole story begins.
Now, at this price point, both of our contenders are, well, essentially fighting blind. They don't use fancy lasers or cameras to map out your home. Instead, they navigate kind of like determined little pinballs, just exploring your space through persistent, random movement. Yeah, this means they might clean the same spot twice, or maybe take a little longer to cover an entire room. But trust me, they get there eventually through sheer persistence. So here's the crucial point, and this is what makes this comparison so fascinating. Because they're both essentially blind, each vacuum has been forced to evolve its own unique and really powerful strategy to guarantee a deep clean. Their limitations are actually what define their biggest strengths. And that brings us right to the heart of the battle, how they actually pick up dirt. This is where their philosophies just completely split. It's the Roomba's mechanical brute force versus the eufy's pretty overwhelming raw suction power. Okay, let's start with the silent assassin's primary weapon. The eufy 11S Max boasts an absolutely incredible 2,000 pascals of suction. And for some context, pascals, or PA, that's just the unit we use to measure pressure. And 2,000, that is a massive number in this category. It promises to pull dirt from hard floors with just pure brute force. And now, in the other corner, our veteran brawler. The Roomba 694's suction is estimated to be somewhere between 600 to 900 pascals. Now, on paper, that looks like a first-round knockout for the eufy. You'd think this is an open-and-shut case, right?
But, raw numbers don't ever tell the whole story. The Roomba has been a champion for years for a very good reason, and it all comes down to a patented piece of engineering that more than makes up for lower suction. It has a secret weapon. And this is it, the Roomba 694's secret weapon, its patented dual multi-surface brush system. So instead of just one brush, it is two, and they spin in opposite directions. One brush digs deep into your carpet fibers to agitate and loosen up all that trapped dirt. Then the other one comes in and lifts and pulls it into the vacuum. It is a devastating 1-2 punch, especially on carpets where suction by itself just isn't going to cut it.
And hey, you don't have to take my word for it. This user sentiment sums it up perfectly. The system might be a little louder, sure, but its ability to mechanically pull grime out of carpets is what gives the Roomba its legendary cleaning reputation. So to wrap up this round, here's the fundamental trade-off you're looking at. The Roomba uses its brawn, the superior dual-brush mechanical system, to physically beat the dirt out of your floors. The eufy, on the other hand, relies on pure power, using its incredible suction to pull dirt up with a simpler single-brush setup. Cleaning power is one thing, for sure, but how do these robots actually fit into your day-to-day life? For our final round, let's get into the lifestyle test. We're talking about the design and comfort features that determine whether your new little helper is a seamless addition or just a noisy nuisance. Just look at this physical difference here. The eufy is significantly shorter at just 7.2 centimeters compared to the Roomba's 9.1. Now that 2-centimeter gap, it might not sound like much, but it's the difference between cleaning under your couch and just bumping into it over and over again. And this right here is the real-world advantage of that ultra-slim design. The silent assassin really lives up to its name by sneaking into those hard-to-reach dust bunny havens that taller, bulkier robots simply can't get to. Okay, Now for a factor that can honestly make or break your relationship with your robot, the noise. And the difference here is dramatic. The Roomba's powerful brush system makes it the louder of the two, clocking in around 70 decibels. The eufy, however, operates at a much more pleasant 55 decibels. This is a huge factor if you work from home or just value a little peace and quiet.
To put those numbers into perspective for you, 70 decibels is about the level of a normal conversation or maybe a washing machine running. 55 decibels, though, is closer to the gentle hum of a quiet microwave. One of them you'll definitely notice, while the other might just blend right into the background.
So after weighing all the evidence from all 3 rounds, brains, brawn, and lifestyle, which one of these champions belongs in your home? Well, the answer isn't about which one is best overall, but which one is the best fit for you.
Let's break down the final tale of the tape. For raw suction power, the eufy is the undisputed champ, no question. But when it comes to that all-important brush system for deep cleaning, the advantage clearly goes to Roomba. For design, the eufy's ultra-thin height and quiet operation are a clear win. So this leads us to a really clear verdict. The Roomba is a carpet specialist, while the eufy is a master of hard floors and stealth.
So here it is. Here's your decision-making framework. Choose the Roomba 694, the veteran brawler, if your home is mostly carpeted and your absolute top priority is getting the deepest clean possible, even if it makes a bit of noise. But you should choose the eufy 11S Max, the silent assassin, if you've got mostly hard floors, low furniture that needs cleaning under, and if a quiet, unobtrusive operation is absolutely essential for your sanity. Ultimately, it really all comes down to this one single question. Take a look at your home, at your floors, and your lifestyle. Do you need a tough, no-nonsense brawler to beat the dirt into submission, or a swift, silent assassin to eliminate it without a trace? The right choice for you is out there, and now you have the tools to make it. If you want to see the latest prices on either of these, just check out the links down in the description. And hey, if this helped you out, don't forget to like this explainer and subscribe to Better Home Reviews for more.